So the final topic for today is algebra, and the more we will practice math and algebra, I think more you can be, more you can have a good command on it. So we talked about the basics of algebra. This is in continuation of that. So let's solve some practical examples for writing algebraic expression. So the first question is, which expression represents the number of stamps Sarah has left? So let's read the statement. Sarah collects stamps and keep them in envelopes. She had 9 envelopes with a certain number of stamps, and that certain number of stamps is defined as S. So in each envelope there are S number of stamps. That this number is a variable and it is not defined. So this is a variable. She sells three of those envelopes. So initially she had 9 envelopes and each envelope has S number of stamps. So to calculate the number of stamps in 9 envelopes, we have to multiply 9 with S. So for example, if each envelope had 2 stamps, so 9 would be multiplied by 2. So this is a variable. This can be written as simply 9S. S in this case is a variable and 9 is a coefficient. So she sells 3 of the envelopes. By 3 envelopes, it will mean that 3S. If it was written that she sells 3 stamps, then you would not have written the S part. But as the statement says, she sells 3 of the envelopes. So the 3 sold envelopes also contain the S number of stamps. So expression can be written as 9S minus 3S. Let's see the options here. So I think, in my opinion, the third option is correct. This one. Let's see whether it is correct or not. Yes, the answer is 3S minus 9S minus 3S. Next statement is, what is the area of the wall that Kisha will paint? The statement is the Kisha will paint one rectangular wall of her bedroom. The wall measures 10 feet by 8 feet. So we know that the formula for area is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by width, and this is also like an algebraic expression, because just in this case the value of length and width is given. So let's see what are the options here. So expression is length multiplied by width, and the first option is 18 square feet, second option is 64, the third is 80, the D part is 100. So the third option is correct, because when we multiply 10 by 8, the answer is so what number should replace n? If 47 minus n is equal to 29, what number should n replace n to make the sentence true? So we have solved these kind of questions also. So what we will do is write 47 minus 29 is equal to n. So n would be equal to 18. Mm, we just shifted this 29 on this side of the equality sign and shifted n to the other side of the equality sign. So when 29 was shifted to this side, the sign of the 29 was changed to from positive to negative. And when n was shifted to other side of the equality, because we have to isolate n, so the negative sign is changed to a positive sign. 47 minus 29 is 18. Or the other method would be to 47 minus n is equal to 29. So we can just shift the 47 to this side of the equation. That would become minus 9 is equal to 29 minus 47. So this would become minus n is equal to minus 18. So if we multiply both sides by minus 1, or if we cancel out the negative sign on both sides, so that would be also equal to n is equal to 18. These are like two ways you can either shift the n to the other side of the equality to convert into a positive sign, or you can adopt this method. Both methods are correct. Let's see the answer here. So B is correct. 18. With the third one is write an expression for the number of hummingbirds we saw on yesterday. So on Friday, we saw a certain number of hummingbirds H. On Saturday, he saw three more than twice the number of hummingbirds he saw on Friday. So write your answer. So he saw three more than means he saw plus three, then twice the number of. So we have to multiply two. First of all, multiply two with H to get twice the number of hummingbirds, and then add three. 2 multiplied by H can be written as 2H, because this also means that 2 is being multiplied with H and plus 3. So H is a variable, 2 is a coefficient, and 3 is a constant. I am just repeating these terms so that they get you get like you can really remember them strong. These three terms, that this is coefficient, this is the variable, and that this is the constant. There is a difference between coefficient and the constant. Let's see the answer. Answer is 3 plus 2h or 2h plus 3. Both are correct. Explain the difference between an expression and an equation. Answer: equation has an equal sign. What does that mean? It means that if an equation is written, there are two ways to write an algebraic expression. For example, one way is x plus 3. Other way is x plus 3 is equal to 2. So these are two different things. In the first one, this is just an expression in which it is written that x in x we are adding 3, but this is an equation in which we can find the value of x, because if we shift 3 to this side of the equation, we will find the value of x. This is an expression, but this has an equality sign, and this equality sign helps us to find the value of x. So you will get uh, this idea in the next algebraic lessons. So that's it for today. See you in the next class.